So over here you can see that I have this object right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and rotate out this object. So to do that, you can simply go ahead and select out this object, and then over here on the top you can see that rotate is an option, so you can go ahead and use the rotate tool. Then you get this rotation tool right here, and you can take object reference and then place it out wherever you want. And now you can go ahead and, let's say for example, click, and then once you do that, from that axis you can see that you can rotate out this object right here just like this. So what you can also do is keep it over here onto the top and click, and then you can go ahead and, let's say for example, utilize the left and the right arrow right here to go ahead and change the angle. And as you click on it, you can see that that becomes the midpoint right there, the center point, and then you get the rotation from that angle right here just like this as well. So now if I were to go ahead and keep it, let's say for example, on the bottom section right here, you can go ahead and use the arrows right here as you want, click and drag to go ahead and rotate from that point just like that as well. So this is what you can do right here. As you can see, you can rotate it out from the side as well. So you can go ahead and utilize an angle, find out an angle where you want to go ahead and rotate it from, click, and then as you go ahead and click, you can go ahead and rotate it out, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and rotate out objects as you like inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.